If you've been wondering whether you can turn off suggested tweets from X.com or Twitter feeds, the short answer is no, not completely. But the good news is, you can reduce them a lot and make your feed feel much cleaner and more focused. In this video, I'll show you the easiest desktop steps to limit unwanted suggestions, use the right feed view, and take back a little more control over what you see on X. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X in your desktop browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, head over to the For You tab. This is the main feed where X shows a mix of posts from people you follow along with recommended content, trending posts, and suggested tweets based on your activity. If you're seeing too many posts that you don't care about, this is where you can start teaching the algorithm what you want less of. Now, when you come across a suggested tweet or post that you do not want to keep seeing, click the three dot menu on that post. This is the icon in the corner of the post. After you click it, look for the option that says, "Not interested in this post." Select that option, and X will use that feedback to reduce similar content in the future. This won't remove every suggested tweet instantly, but it does help train your feed over time. A helpful tip here is to repeat this step for multiple unwanted recommendations. The more often you mark posts as not interested, the better chance you have of cleaning up your For You feed. So if you keep seeing the same kind of content, don't just do it once. Keep using that feedback option whenever something irrelevant shows up. Next, if you want a feed that is more focused on the accounts you already follow, switch over to the Following tab. This is usually the simplest way to avoid a lot of suggested content because it shows posts from accounts you're subscribed to rather than relying as heavily on recommendations. It's not a perfect filter, but it is much more controlled and much less cluttered than For You. If your following feed still feels crowded, another smart move is to unfollow accounts whose posts you no longer want to see. Sometimes the issue is not just suggested tweets, but also the number of accounts filling your feed with content you've outgrown. By cleaning up who you follow, you can make the entire experience more relevant and easier to browse. So to recap, you cannot fully turn off all suggested tweets on X, but you can absolutely reduce them. Use "Not interested in this post" on unwanted suggestions, spend more time in the Following tab, and unfollow accounts that no longer match your interests. Together, these steps can make a big difference in how your X feed looks and feels. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.